Most people think a gemstone is either real or fake, but in reality, there are three very different categories that can look exactly the same to the naked eye: natural, synthetic, imitation, and confusing them can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Today, I'll explain the difference in the simplest way possible, so by the end of this video, you'll never get fooled again. Let's start with natural gemstones. Natural gemstones are created by nature itself. No machines, no laboratories, no shortcuts. They form deep inside the earth under intense heat and pressure over millions of years. When you hear terms like natural ruby, natural sapphire, natural emerald, or natural diamond, it means the stone grew naturally underground and was later mined, cut, and polished by humans. One important thing to understand is that natural gemstones are rare, and rarity is what gives them value. Most natural stones also contain inclusions, which are tiny internal marks formed during their growth. These inclusions are not flaws. In fact, they are proof that the stone is natural. Because of their rarity and history, natural gemstones usually cost the most, hold long-term value, have resale and investment potential, are certified by labs like GIA, GRS, or IGI. If you are buying a gemstone for investment, inheritance, or long-term value, natural is usually the first choice. Now let's talk about synthetic gemstones, and this is where many people get confused. Synthetic gemstones are real gemstones in every chemical sense, but they are created in laboratories instead of nature. A synthetic ruby has the same chemical composition, hardness, and crystal structure as a natural ruby. The difference is time. Nature takes millions of years. A lab can do it in weeks. Because scientists can control the environment, synthetic gemstones often look extremely clean, sometimes even more perfect than natural stones. Under magnification, they may lack the natural inclusions that earth-grown gems usually have. Here's the most important truth you need to remember. Synthetic does not mean fake. It means lab-created. Synthetic gemstones are real in composition, much cheaper than natural stones, visually beautiful, common in modern jewelry. However, they usually have low resale value, little to no investment potential. If someone sells a synthetic gemstone, honestly, at a fair price, there is nothing wrong with it. The problem starts when a synthetic stone is sold as natural. Now let's move to the third category: imitation gemstones. Imitation gemstones are not real gemstones at all. They are materials made to look like gemstones, but they do not share the same chemical or physical properties. Common imitation materials include glass, plastic, cubic zirconia, and colored quartz. For example, glass sold as ruby, cubic zirconia sold as diamond, green glass sold as emerald. These stones are designed only for appearance. They are widely used in fashion, jewelry, and costume pieces. Imitation gemstones are very cheap, have no gemstone value, have no resale potential, can easily fool untrained buyers in photos and videos. Imitation stones can look stunning, which is why online buyers are often tricked. So let's simplify everything with one easy comparison. Natural gemstones are earth-made, rare, and valuable. Synthetic gemstones are lab-made, real, and affordable. Imitation gemstones are fake lookalikes with no real value. Now, why does this difference matter so much? Because many buyers pay natural gemstone prices for stones that are actually synthetic or imitation. If a seller avoids certification, uses vague language, or offers prices that sound too good to be true, that's a major red flag. A genuine gemstone certificate will clearly mention whether the stone is natural or lab-created, any treatments performed, origin details. If applicable, if there is no certificate, you are taking a risk, and if the price feels unrealistically low, there is usually a reason. Here's some honest buying advice. If your goal is long-term value or investment, choose natural gemstones with proper certification. If your goal is beauty at a reasonable price, synthetic gemstones are a smart option. If you want jewelry purely for fashion or occasional wear, imitation stones are fine, as long as you know what you're buying. The danger is not buying synthetic or imitation stones. The danger is buying them without knowing the truth. Understanding the difference between natural, synthetic, and imitation gemstones gives you power as a buyer. It protects your money, your trust, and your future decisions. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with anyone thinking of buying gemstones. Because knowledge is the best certificate you can have.